All right, let's dive into a fundamental shift happening with AI. We're talking about how it's moving from a simple tool we use to becoming the invisible infrastructure of our entire digital world. What if it's becoming as essential and invisible as electricity? The prediction is that by 2026, AI is going to be a fundamental utility. And when that happens, well, it changes everything. So what's driving this transformation? It all comes down to something called Agentic AI. This is the big leap from AI being a passive tool to a truly proactive partner. Think about it. The AI of the past was passive. It waited for our commands. But the future, Agentic AI, takes the initiative to achieve a goal. We're moving from just asking questions to assigning complex missions. So an AI agent is simply a system that understands a goal and then proactively works to achieve it. It's not just a tool, it's a digital collaborator. But here's the reality check. For all this potential, most companies are still on the sidelines. A staggering 64% haven't even started a formal AI plan. They're struggling to move beyond small tests. So how are the leading companies breaking through this? They're building an infrastructure where specialized AIs can collaborate, using a concept called multi-agent orchestration. Think of it like a digital project manager. An orchestrator gets the mission, then delegates tasks to a whole team. A researcher agent gathers data, an analyst finds insights, and a coder builds a solution. It's a collaborative process happening at machine speed. Now, this new way of working creates a massive economic ripple effect. Because when intelligent work becomes cheap and scalable, the skills we value are forced to change. And this isn't some distant future. Gartner projects that by the end of this year, 40% of core business software will already have these agents built right in. It's quickly becoming the new default. So what does this economic shift look like? Well, things like manual effort and baseline knowledge are becoming abundant, easy for AI to generate. The new scarcity is what's uniquely human. The vision to decide what matters, the judgment to pick the right option, and the courage to act. All of this leads to the most vital point, which is our evolving role in this new world of abundant manufactured intelligence. In a world where the rules of value are being completely rewritten, what is our role? Our role is evolving from being operators of tools to becoming architects of systems. See, we're no longer just using AI, we're designing the intelligent systems that produce value. So here's the bottom line. The bottleneck to progress is no longer execution, it's the quality of your vision. For the first time, intelligence itself is a manufactured abundant resource. The defining question isn't how we'll get the work done, but what we will choose to build. The blueprint is yours to design.